What is the legal position of land passed down from one generation to another without formal registration, especially where the original owner of the land died? Now, this is an area where I've been finding people having issues. If you go to buy a piece of land and you are told the owner of that land died and the land was left to his sons, kindly make sure that these sons did something we call succession, and they obtain confirmation of grant and subdivided that land according to the law, and each son has their valid title. Kindly do not go and buy that piece of land yet they have not done succession, because actually what you are doing is it's an offense known as intermeddling in succession law. You can be sued for that. So wait until when the succession has been done to the end, then that is the time when you can go and you buy that piece of land. Do not buy in circumstances whereby I start the process of selling this piece of land to you. The land is mine, me as Ima, but in the process I die without finalizing the process. Do not panic. When my sons and daughters will be filing for succession, you are supposed to come into something we call an affidavit, consent of distribution, as a somebody who claims from my estate. So you will appear there that I had sold for you this piece of land. So when the grant is confirmed, basically what you do, you get the certificate of grant. There are some forms which your advocates will help you fill. You will serve them to the land registrar. So when my sons are getting their portions of land, this piece of land that I had sold to you will come out with your name. With your name. Kindly note that. So there is no need of panicking. However, the problem also of buying somebody's land when their disease and succession has not been done, we always say that land passed down through generations without registration is legally precarious. So families may have strong customary or beneficial interest, but the absence of registration means, one, the ownership of this land is difficult to prove, and the land is vulnerable to fraud, and disputes are more likely to occur. So you'll buy this piece of land, but you'll never enjoy peace. You'll be like, now supposing they change their mind, what becomes of me? So courts may recognize such interest, but formal registration provides the strongest protection under the Kenyan law.